Greetings, good morning, good afternoon. This is Yeomens, the microwave chef, bringing you another information about data science, AI, cryptocurrency. Today, I just wanted to talk briefly about where to get cryptocurrency. I know that on my last video, I was talking about the craze that is going on about Bitcoins. People are so excited. People are so excited about other cryptocurrencies and where to get them. So I'm going to put the links in the description. There are two places you can get cryptocurrency that I use personally. One is Coinbase for those in the US, because it's actually also connected with PayPal. So there's ease of use. You can also connect it to your bank account. But as I always say, I'm not your financial advisor. So you should look into it more before you get into cryptocurrency. But if you ever wanted to get cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and so many other coins that are available, you can get them from Coinbase. And then the other one that I've used, I use Bittrex, Bittrex. And I think that is available to people in the US and also the rest of the world. To be able to get cryptocurrency, there are a couple of ways that you can get cryptocurrencies. Either you're converting your regular currency like your dollar or your pound sterling or whichever yuan or yen, other currencies, you're converting them into cryptocurrency, and you're going to store that in an address. So you have your regular currency and then you're going to convert it into cryptocurrency, and then you have where to store them. So this is what Coinbase offers. You can convert your regular currency to digital currency, cryptocurrency, and then also gives you a storage like your wallet where you can store it. So that's pretty much for regular folks that just want to buy cryptocurrency. That's how you need an address for it to be able to receive the digital currency. And to be able to get the digital currency, you have to convert the money that you have into digital currency. So that's in a nutshell what I wanted to share with you today. I'm going to be talking more in depth about cryptocurrency. You see me wearing my t-shirt. I actually work at this hedge fund. It's also a cryptocurrency. It's called Numerai, and it gives you the opportunity, if you're a data scientist or somebody that knows some form of financial coding, financial machine learning, able to implement your financial machine learning skills into developing an artificial intelligence model that you submit to the hedge fund. And it's like you're building your own bank pretty much. So that's for those that are into quantitative finance and data science. But for regular folks, if you just want to buy and hold cryptocurrency, these are the two websites that I've given you. I have the links in the description. You can click on it and you go on there and you can get your cryptocurrency. But as I always say, that I'm not your financial advisor, so you should seek more advice from a professional before you get into cryptocurrency. Yeah, that's pretty much for today. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get new updates for new videos that I make. The YouTube algorithm like trending topics, so don't forget to like and share the video with your friends if they want to learn more about cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is on up and up. There are other coins that I'm going to share in this series that are also doing very well, and then that have a great potential for the future. So I'm going to be sharing that in a few next episodes. So stay tuned. But for now, I just wanted to show you how you can get cryptocurrency, Coinbase and Bittrex. And I have the link in the description. Click on it, subscribe, and then you can get your coins that way. All right. If you have any questions, if you need more in-depth questions, or if you have more in-depth questions regarding what you want to get into cryptocurrency space, but you have no clue, just connect with me and I'll be able to share or consult with you and give you more information. Well, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification button so that you get new videos on this new series, new information about cryptocurrency, excitement, things going on cryptocurrency, where to store them, how to use them. You know, there are companies that are, cryptocurrency is getting into the mainstream now and is getting adaptation in certain areas. We've heard of big companies that are buying them right now to use them for their payment system. So yeah, I'm excited. I hope you're excited too. People that get in early in any system are those that really tend to gain much. So I hope you're excited too. What I'll do is just make sure that you are well informed about cryptocurrency, how to get them, how to use them, how to exchange them, and then hopefully we're getting to the digital space and digital currency. Subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next episode.